Guys, welcome to the channel. In this tutorials I'm going to tell you the basic of Fusion 360, actually what the Fusion 360 actually gives you. So let's beginning with the tutorial. You can understand we have different types of views in our designing. There are top views, side views, right views, left views, to see the different views from for a 3D objects. So before you start any design, you have to make sure that your design is in perspective with orthofaces. I think you know the basis of orthofaces. What actually is orthofaces? What actually the Fusion 360 gives you? Fusion 360 gives you like you can design, you can render, you can animate, and you can simulate, you can manufacture, you can draw. Okay, here you will get different types of tools, like what actually you can do. Like you will have this sketch mode, you will have extrude command, you will have revolve command. I would to like to show one thing. Like for example, you have taken a you have taken a sketch, and you have click over there, and after that what you have done, you have just make a line over here, and after that wait a second, I'm showing you. So okay, okay, for example, I'm using the loft command. Okay, here I'm using the loft command, so I'm explaining you about that. So what you have to do, you have to go see what is there in this, that this all things are movable. You can understand these are movable. If you want that this should not movable, and if it dimension should be correctly written, so what you have to do, you have to just write here, suppose 192. Okay, it's 192. I will say this is okay, this is right. Let me define this. Okay, so let me define this. Okay, and let me define this. Okay, and the angle between this. Okay, I will define this angle between this and this. Okay, I defined it. Wow, you can understand. See here, these are not movable. It will not actually move now. See what happens, it's now converted to black, so it is not movable. You cannot move this. On before you can move, now you cannot move. Now you, I will show you how I've used the loft command. For example, you have selected this, and after that you have to select this axis. Okay, you have selected this axis. Wow, it's look 3D object. So after that you are using this 3D object. What you can do, you can use a shell command. Okay, I'm using a shell command, and I'm just converting about 2. And wow, you can understand what I have just actually made. You can understand. See, oh wow, it looks like hollow from inside. Okay, it's like hollow. So this only I want to explain you the vast variety that a Fusion 360 actually gives. For example, I have huge libraries of mine. I have made a crankshaft, I have make a piston head. So these are the various type of design I have made. On the further tutorial I will explain you how we can go for a piston head, how can we can make a crankshaft, and these all things I would be explaining you. Thank you very much for attending this tutorial. Thank you very much. Hmm.